What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, it's going to be a super quick one, but we're going to talk about Ledger, guys. You guys are making all them gains in these farming videos. You got to protect your junk. All right, so let's go and get into this video. Why I recommend a Ledger. There's also other ones you can use as well, like a trezor and whatever. But anyways, we're going to say thanks to our sponsors today. So our first sponsor, well, our only sponsor is my shoes. My shoes, I need some new ones, but nah, they do the job, so I'm going to keep them. My dog ate them, but they work good. They work really good. I need some more duct tape. I ran out. The duct tape came off, but anyways, guys, yeah, they get the job done. Sorry, Chris, didn't mean to hit you. Dude, this is Chris, my bunny. See? His name's Chris. All right, so anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get into the video why we recommend the Ledger hardware wallet, or why I do. It's because I use it. That's why I like it. But I mean, there is Trezor, and there's what's the other one? I can't even think of the other one. I want to call it Portis, but I know it's not Portis. But they got a bunch of different ones. For price and the usage and the security, me personally, I like Ledger. This is just a little Ledger Nano S, nothing crazy. And they actually have some good discounts that go from time to time. There's actually a link in the description below. I think it gets you like 20 bucks off or 10 bucks off. I don't know. Something like that. They just have different programs going on, I guess you can say. But anyways, in this video, we're going to talk about Ledger, how to use it, how to work it, and we're going to show you the Ledger Live platform. So I'm going to like slide my face to the side, or actually I'm just going to say peace out. All right, so guys, let's show you guys Ledger Live. Now, why do I like Ledger Live? Well, first off, guys, it's a hardware wallet. Second is they have a lot of cool features. You can actually lend your tokens through the actual platform itself. This used to not be here, and you can earn interest on it. So while your USDC, Tether, DAI, whatever is just sitting in here, you can literally hit lend, and you can select the amount that you want to use. So you can be like, bruh, I want to limit it all, and obviously you're going to have to pay network fees and whatnot, but you can do it directly through your Ledger. So you don't have to interact with anything, and it's got a really neat UX and UI. It's interacting with junk on the back end, but on the front end, it's really easy to use. So it's kind of like, oh, snap, let me fold this paper in half, and whoa, I didn't realize I folded the paper into an envelope. I don't know if that example made any sense at all, but it didn't make any sense to me. It just means it's a good UX and a good UI. If you guys want to basically upload the manager, I got to upload my Ledger, but I can't do it. My microphone will do it. So basically with the manager, it allows you to upload different apps, and I'm going to show you the different apps. So like right now I have some Kava, I have Digibyte, I have Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So what's cool about these is these are different wallets, like in general. Like this is a Cosmos wallet, this is a Bitcoin wallet, this is an Ethereum wallet. So it's a little bit different from a MetaMask, except it's more secure and it's not stored on a device. So like you're seeing all this stuff right here, but right now you can't really see it, but it's synchronized with my Ledger. So my funds are actually stored on the blockchain, but my private keys are on this Ledger. Now, why is that important? Well, if you downloaded some malware or some phishing software on your computer, they can get your private keys. Just like in MetaMask, the private keys are stored directly on MetaMask. If someone steals those keys, well, you know what they say, not your keys, not your crypto. Now you understand what not your keys, not your crypto means. Because if someone else has your private keys, they have your crypto. Because they can upload it from any wallet or any ledger anywhere in the world that they want. Now, also what's cool is you guys can see like your portfolio and how it's doing. So it has a, yeah, down only. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Yeah, I did take a beating. Hey, it is what it is. I mean, didn't we all? I had a big exposure to Ethereum, Bitcoin, and I had a couple of small altcoins as well. So those definitely took a hit. But again, yeah, you just had to. Everything's relative. So like if you purchased them here, more so around here, you're doing pretty well. But anyways, guys, nothing crazy. And here's a couple of things that they have on the top. These are a couple of announcements as well, but you can actually stake directly through Ledger for some of these tokens. And yeah, they have a little backup pack, so that's another promo they have going on. Me personally, do I prefer the Nano S or Nano X? Well, let's just go directly to their website. Here's the Nano S. It's 59 bucks. Use that link in the description as well below for the Nano S or Nano X. It's up to you. And it comes with a neat ledger. Gives all the gizmos and gadgets, whatever. And if you want to save some money, you can get like the Nano S 3-pack. Also, this was kind of cool, but me personally, I don't think it's 99 bucks worth 99 bucks. I mean, just buy a safe and throw the piece of paper in it, because I feel like I'll lose this crypto steel capsule solo. I'm sure I can spend 99 bucks elsewhere and store a piece of paper somewhere. But hey, that's just me. You guys do what you want. Actually, better yet, the best place to store it is like store it in a water bottle or something heavy, and then put that piece of paper in there. Make sure you laminate it, and then like sink it to the bottom of your pool. It'll be safe from any fire damage. I mean, if people see that water bottle in the pool, you'll just be like, nah, bruh, don't touch that junk. It's just, it's there to hold the pool down. If you pull out that water bottle, my pool's going to fly away. No, I'm just messing, guys. But yeah, I don't know. It's up to you. Just get creative with it. But don't leave it in the open. Actually, no, leave it in the open because no one expects that. All right, I'm going on a tangent. So let's talk about the other features that they have. The Nano S is for those people who are like, bruh, I just like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and that's it. That's okay. You can just like that. You can download as many of these different wallets as you, or not wallets, but apps as you want. It really doesn't matter. You can download as many as you want. And the reason why you can do that is because you can actually delete and reinstall on the manager. And just because you delete Bitcoin account, at least, so like if I delete one of these, I can always reinstall and my tokens will be back on there. So that's what's really cool about it, because your private keys are stored on it. So theoretically, I can have a bunch of different accounts and just upload and download them at any time I need to use them. But it is a little bit confusing from time to time. I wouldn't say confusing, but it's more inconvenient. So that's why if you're the type of guy who has like 40 billion different coins, well, you're probably going to be better off getting the Ledger Nano X. The Nano X has a lot more storage capability on it. Let me just go ahead and show you guys the different products. So we'll compare their devices so we can show you. But the Nano S, here's the breakdown. It's just good for hardware storage, just storing your coins on a hard wallet. And also, if you're mainly just using it for like MetaMask, this is what I do. I actually just take my MetaMask and then I go up to here and I connect my hardware wallet. That's what I do. I just connect the hardware wallet and it allows me to store my quote unquote crypto on my MetaMask on my hardware wallet. So again, my keys are stored offline. So that's really cool and a neat feature as well. Here's a comparison of the S and Nano X. Of course it's the best seller. It's because people only know about Bitcoin and Ethereum, but not here. On Drakeondigital, we have fun. All right, so up to 6 apps installed on your device. So it gives a star because depends on the app size, but you can always download, reinstall whatever you want. And up to 100 apps installed on the Nano X. So that's why I'm saying, if you're like, bro, I like Polkadot, I like Cosmos, I like Digibyte, I like Bitcoin, I like Litecoin, I like, I don't know, whatever, Ethereum, you can download all these different ones. Next is on the wallet. These both have Ledger Live, so that's a good thing. You can stake and do all the junk and earn chicken for staking your stake. And this shows you kind of the screen size. I kind of showed you on the main screen. It was kind of small, but let me go ahead and show it to you guys in relation to my hand. So I'll get back on the screen. I'm back. All right, guys. So here's the Ledger. I put on these little doohickeys because they came with the box, and I didn't know what else to do with them, so I put them there. So yeah, but you guys can see it's got a steel outside. This actually covers your thing, so like you can be like, and just like tap it or whatever you want to do. They got like 2 little buttons on here. These are your like verification keys. If you guys see my hands are orange, that's just because I eat a lot of vegetables. But you guys can see these little buttons here. Boom, boom. I can do some more videos to explain how to use it if you guys get it. And there's your little screen. It's really tiny. Here's my hand so you guys can see how big it is. I hope that helps any. My hands are really huge, so I don't know if you know that. But let me do it in relation to a cell phone. But here's cell phone. Here's this. You guys can see it's like the size of a cell phone. But yeah, it's just a small USB. Let's go back on the screen. Peace. The other one that's really cool about the Nano X is it has a battery. The Nano S does not. So like if it's not plugged in, it won't turn on. But me personally, it's kind of like, well, I don't really care. because most of the stuff is done on my computer anyways. But that is kind of convenient that it is on a battery. So like if there's ever like an emergency, etc. And this connects with Bluetooth on your mobile. So like if you store all your money and junk and pay stuff with crypto, you can use your Ledger Live app and use your hardware wallet and store your main junk on, well, a hardware wallet. And you guys can see the buttons are a little bit different. But yeah, me personally, I use the Ledger Nano S because I'm a computer type of guy. I just go on the computer, get it done, and yeah, I'm white and nerdy. But anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys do 3 things. Like, subscribe, bell button. Leave a comment below in the description saying you subscribed. You will get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. So if you guys like BTC, make sure you do that junk. And guys, if you guys want to get a Ledger, there's a link in the description below as well. You get like 20% off or something like that. I don't know. Whatever it is. But have fun. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And as always, we will leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 22. We're going to do 22 verses 22. Do not exploit the poor because they are poor. Do not crush the needy in court, for the Lord will take up their case and will exact life for life. Yeah, dude. That's so true, man. And plus, don't take people to court. It's not worth it. You'll usually lose, like 100% of the time. And even when you win, who really wins? Oh, wait, it's the attorneys. Gotta say thanks to the patrons. We got Scott Bot, Doman, Tariq Liu, T.O. King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb, bomb. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.